Now we're going to talk about the upper body, the layering system for the upper body. So we're going to start out with two lightweight or medium weight long underwear tops. Again, either weight works for you, but we're going to start off our layering system with one of those. And then we're going to move on to a medium weight fleece top. So I have an Expedition weight fleece that I can use, a synthetic hoodie, it's got to be synthetic, no cotton, or a nice thin wool sweater. Any of these you can find at the thrift store. These are all options for that medium weight warm top. I'm just going to go ahead and pick this Expedition weight fleece. The other ones I'm not going to bring. Then we're going to move on to our heavyweight fleece or wool top. So again, nice warm comfy wool sweater or big heavyweight fleece jacket. I'm going to use my nice warm wool sweater. It's nice to have that wool out there. It's worked for generations. And then we're going to use our synthetic puffy jacket. We don't want this one to be down because down can get wet and you can sweat in this one. So we want it synthetic, but that's going to max it out. So then I'm wearing all those layers, and it might sound weird, but this is my one extra layer that I don't have on yet. And that's going to be packed away with that extra hat, a couple of those extra liner gloves.